What exactly is a spiritual journey? It is a journey of coming into union with your true self, a deep exploration of the mind. During this journey, individuals learn about love for themselves and others. This is where we learn the meaning of life. Why do I exist? What is my life's purpose and mission? This journey is transformative and moves the soul to evolution and connectivity with divine consciousness. Here's something you should know about a spiritual journey. Your life will never be the same. The thing you once enjoyed becomes a bore, but somehow you learn to find inspiration in everything unfolding around you. You learn to let go of the things you were taught about God, success, relationships, love, family, commitment. The list really can go on here. You find the deeper meanings in those things, why they exist, and how they impact you and you them. You appreciate more time in nature, and you limit the time you spend casually socializing with others. Now, why is that, considering the importance of fellowship? People on spiritual journeys are not looking to others to pour into them. You look to your higher source for that. You appreciate the ability to connect with others, but your power isn't from your interactions with others. That's a 3D earthly concept. You recognize that your power is truly in your ability to connect with the source. Everything you need, you are. You learn that when you surrender to the soul's mission. As a result, you desire to connect more with nature. You are one with the universe. So being in nature begins to feel like home. This relationship with the universe is truly what sustains us. On this journey, you will spend a lot of time in solitude. Again, this will not change. It becomes your life. You appreciate aloneness. In the heart of your journey, those moments of solitude will be used to work through your fears and will teach you to trust in your higher source, faith. This is where it's developed. No, I'm not talking about faith in the way that we were taught. Again, remember that you are letting go of everything that you were taught, and you are finding your meaning in how the universe actually works. This journey will teach you that fear exists in your subconscious mind. It's how we are controlled by others. More often than not, the path to enlightenment requires that you give up the work you are doing to embark on a spiritual practice. Everything that you do becomes in worship of your higher source and for the greatest good. Everything. We really should dig deeper into this topic, but let's pause here for now. Love and light, friends.